So welcome to 7:30 live on weekdays. So Indian Standard Time. We join. We interact about all the tutorials we add, whatever we are planning to add this week, and what you have added on that. So you can ask me questions, your doubts, your ideas, everything you can post it here. So this is for 10 minutes. We come at 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time to discuss about Python, Kinter, MySQL, SQLite database, integrating all the database to the Python script, and also on the web programming, PHP, MySQL, JavaScript, jQuery, HTML, all the stuff we discuss. You can ask us questions. So based on your doubts, suggestions, ideas, and all, we add tutorials, and we frequently add the tutorials also. And during this live session, I love to take your questions, and you can post your questions below the tutorials also, which I will be responding. And note that based on your ideas, feedbacks, we develop our tutorials also, modify it. Now to start with, we have some plan today. What last week we discussed about the check buttons from various we have discussed about check buttons and integrating check buttons with the backend database. So once you when the application is opened, it takes the status from the database, and accordingly the status of the check button remain checked or unchecked. Then we have discussed about check all, uncheck all with a single click, how we set up check buttons, and that also was updating the backend database. Then we discussed about shifting of database from a SQLite to MySQL database. That also we discussed. Today, the tutorial on this third part where the database shifting from SQLite to MySQL is posted. So posting of the tutorial will help you that anytime right now you may able to understand. You get a doubt or anything in future date, you can come back here, study the tutorial again. You can use it as a reference material for your applications or wherever you are working. Note that this database changing is not that frequent, but this helps you to understand how the data flows from one system to other. So usually in an application we don't frequently change the database part, but it can happen. That may be a requirement, and moreover knowing the technique all will help you in integrating different sources together. Say you are working on a system, someone asks you pick up some data from another system and integrate it with you. So there it helps, and for that purpose Panda is another library where it is frequently used. We'll study more on Pandas also. But friends, this now we'll focus little bit on a previously we had discussed about custom themes where you are creating the themes and all. So here now we'll see there is a built-in tool available, so we can help you to create the theme. That is one thing we'll see. And second thing is there is a dialog library in the TTK Bootstrap where various dialogues, and the color chooser is one of that. I will just show you the blog post on that. That also you understand. Next we'll also add how the font different styles and color by, say in the Word document you are working, you want to change the font style, family and all. Click the font and you will be presented with a dialog box. So font family, size, underline, bold, everything style you can select. Those sort of functionality also we can add it. That is what we will discuss also. I will just give you a little introduction for that, and during this week these are all the things we will continue to learn. Hope it will help you. Now friends, let's just go to the blog post and see what are the topics we'll be first picking up or working in this week. So you can make an advanced study on that. So it will help you on that. So here come back. Something my studio again gave some problem. Okay, study about this, and this URL is there in the description. And you just otherwise you can just come to the top, any URL you pick up on TTK Bootstrap. See this drop down will tell you all. The first part is all the widgets, second part is some key application using the widgets. So here is a separator is there, you can see the bottom. So that is how you can browse to different sections and copies the code and understand it. Now here is our color chooser. So this is the one out I am talking right now, we are there. So I just want you to check this also. So find this, you just see not a big one. So other dialog boxes also will see. Now come back to the another one. What you have discussed is this TTK Creator. This particular theme part we have earlier discussed about this custom themes and all. Last week probably how you will prepare the theme. So you will have maintain a consistency, your brand color and all. Suppose you want, you can maintain it. So that's the reason why this custom themes and all we discussed previously. Now to that there is a built-in tool. I can just show you this one. This is a TTK Creator. That also that this part this week will focus more. Just come back. I will show you how this theme work. I am just going to my Visual Studio Code. Yeah, fine. This is a different one. I am just in the command prompt. I will just Python m TTK Creator. All these commands are there in that theme page. It is there. Now once I run this, there is a tool available. Once I run this, I will get a here is a TTK Creator theme builder. Now here the theme builder, you can create a new theme. First you have to load your basic theme, then create a new theme, and you suppose here you want that your color of different, here the different widgets are given. All widgets you can dynamically see the how the theme can work, and suppose this color you want of a meter, all the thing, say primary color should be different, info color, success. You can change this color chooser, you can pick it up and do that. We will discuss in the tutorial. In subsequently I will do that. And moreover, once you save this, here you see the save button, reset, import, export at the top. Once you save it, it goes back to a user dot per everything at one go. So what I will request you is just have in your mind that this like that these tools are there. Whenever there is a requirement, come back, use this as a reference and solve your problems, or it will help you to guide you in your project work or in your application. Let me just, that's all friends. What these are the few things I will tell you. This I have told you also what are the new things this week we are planning. So being a Monday, I am just giving you an overall plan for this week, and you can just continue working on this particular this theme builder and all. This quite useful. The dialog box also will work, and we have done a lot of work on the database integration part. Database means MySQL, SQLite, all this database integration. So if you feel that something is required, okay, Pratik, namaste Pratik. Thank you for joining. Tell your friends also. So friends, that's the idea for this week. 10 minutes is over. So we'll continue further this week on these areas. I have given you a broad idea on how you will be continuing this week. Note that this theme builder also, custom theme and all, we have earlier worked. We are storing the theme in the database from a JSON file. All this we have discussed. But this tool one, I have not integrated that particular time. So the tools part where there is a built-in TTK Bootstrap tool. Second thing we discussed is about the dialog library. So in the dialog library also try to study that particular one. All these URLs are in the description also, and I have shown you in the drop down how you can navigate to different pages to watch on the this particular, to study that one. This color chooser is one of the dialog box. It is not that one of the part of the dialog library, whatever module is available. So other modules also will explore the date picker, the font one is important. Others are, it is there, but pick up a integer, pick up a dialog box for a float, that may not means it is, you can easily work on it on. I will leave you the text part. What is my OBS Studio has some issue. Okay, so say font color, size and all those things you want to select, like we work in the Word, there this dialog box will help you. Another is the color chooser. Color chooser also helps you because say you are displaying a pie chart, you want user to pick up its own color for the different segments. You can give the user to select a color code. So that time the color this particular dialog box will help you. Don't get confused, too many things I am talking, because this is what the plan for this week will study. So that is what it's just I am making. So if you study the blog post in your free time and also, you will get a good idea on that. Tutorials will be there. Anyway, you have any ideas or any doubt in that evening time, you can post your questions also here. You can discuss, and I hope tutorials below the tutorials also you can post your questions, discuss with us, so we will able to guide you. And anyway, tutorials are there, video tutorials are also there. I am coming 7:30 live online. That's the what more you want, you just let me know. So that's all, friends. Please tell your friends also to join at 7:30 our Indian Standard Time. So wherever you are, you can join us for this live session. So we'll continue every day with our technical discussion, and it will be a promise you it will be a useful discussion. Will help you in your different Python library also, not only Kinter. Shortly I am thinking of switching over to starting a on pandas. It's a data analytics library, quite powerful, very easy to understand. Anyway, Python is also quite easy. And if you are some of you are interested, we can have a live session on Google Meet or Zoom or on the Python basics, or in my favorite area, PHP. That's all, friends. We'll stop for 13 minutes. It's over. If you don't have any more questions or anything to discuss, we'll stop for here. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button, and tell your friends also to join, so we can have a good, useful, fruitful discussion. So during the evening hours for 10 minutes. This week, TTK Bootstrap, we are continuing with our date entry, all the dialog box, customizing using the theme toolbar. I will let you know the tutorial. Once a tutorial I add, I will discuss more about that. Then this will also continue database integration. Let me know if you want me the radio button part. I will TTK Bootstrap radio buttons. It's almost same as the normal radio button, only the thing check buttons we have already discussed how to integrate with the database and all. Here also let me know if you want a radio button also I should discuss, or you can manage it. That's the radio button combo box. Many modules are there. That's all, friends. So hope you are enjoying this discussion and the tutorials, and you have any ideas, suggestions, questions, let us know. Hit the subscribe button. Please click the like button. So like this discussion also, so that will encourage us. And please hope tomorrow also you will join at 7:30 evening our Indian Standard Time. Tell your friends also to join. So we'll conclude here. Hope tomorrow also we'll discuss, continue our discussion. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching.